Here are our spring bottle fillers, the 1/2 inch, the 3/8. This is how you will receive them most likely. And before each use and after each use, we highly recommend you sanitize them and take them apart the way I'm going to show you. Just take the spring, the tip with the O-ring, and then you could see, and it's ready to be sanitized. If you want to put them back together, just assemble the O-ring, and the cross section on the spring goes first, and then put it back here. Same with the 1/2 inch. I'm going to take it apart. It's very easy. And same thing, this one has an O-ring here, a cross section here. And the beauty of them is if you don't want to use them as a spring bottle filler, the same thing, you can just assemble, leave the spring behind, and you can use them as a gravity bottle filler.